Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna do a little introduction to myself, tell you guys a little bit about me, um whilst I am putting some deep conditioning treatment in my hair. Yes, I got like 2 packets, and as you can see, my hair is like yes, this is like the length. Just every the ladies out there with the natural hair know the struggle and know how real it is. Like, this is not a joke. Okay, guys, I have no special way that I do it. I just part the hair with my hand. And by the way, I have gray hair already. Funny thing, the gray hairs just grow smack in the middle of my head. But yeah, you learn to live with it, right? This is how it looks. As I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, I have no special way that I do this. I just part my hair, put it in my palm, and just take it and just I guess kind of massage it in the scalp, part for part, you know, just get in there. And then, guys, after that, I just open the next pocket from the side and just squeeze it all over like so, and just back to getting to know me a bit. My full, well, not full, my name is Sandala. I'm named after my father. People call me D or Della. I am 20 something. I am a Virgo, the sweetest beings on the planet. I love to cook. I play musical instruments at times. I am Bahamian 100%, and I'm self-employed. I just love to chill with genuine people. I don't keep much company. I don't have much friends, but I'm very chill. I like to stay to myself, stay out of problems and stuff like that. Comment down below, like, what type of videos you guys want me to make. If it's more challenges, more pranks, just let me know. You got it. More love to you guys. I'm gonna wash my hair and try to get it braided. And I love you. Stay safe and peace.